How to fix Discord bug mobile. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix it, solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone or your device. After this, go to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and then go to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. Don't forget the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.